What is up, babes? Hey, welcome in. I'm Sweet Angel, and I'm so glad to have you hanging out at my house today. Listen, not a lot going on today. Just wanted to share a few things with you that have come in that I am loving. Also, Baby Royal got something new in the mix, and why don't I just share with you? Baby Roll and I are going to make some cookies later on, so we'll have some fun doing that. So let's just dive into a little around the house dilly dally kind of stuff. I hope you're doing great today, and if you are, please drop it in the comments. Drop it in the comments. Let me know how you doing and where you hanging out from. I'd love to hear from y'all. So let's get into today's fall vlog. What? I got something new? Oh, honey, let's be real. You know that old toilet brush sitting in the corner? Yeah, I got one too. It's time to let that one go. When you grab this silver modern toilet brush and holder set by Novsix, you're stepping into a whole new level of clean and classy. I'm so glad they sent this to me. First off, the shine on the stainless steel. Woo! It's giving luxury hotel vibes, honey. Not basic bathroom energy. That silver finish instantly upgrades our bathroom. Like, who knew a toilet brush could look this good? This sleek design, oh my goodness, so nice. No more bending, no more drips, no more ew moments. And let's talk about that dense bristle head. Honey, you're gonna scrub away all that mess without scratching your toilet. Those bristles get into every little spot, leaving it spotless without you breaking a sweat. Plus, that built-in splash guard keeps things clean and tidy while you're doing your thing, because nobody's got time for splatters, right? The removable inner bowl makes cleaning the holder super easy. Just pop it out, rinse, and boom, fresh and ready to go again. It's durable, rust resistant, and cute enough that you don't even mind seeing it in your bathroom. And if your bathroom's on the smaller side like mine, this set keeps everything discreet and organized. If you're ready to say bye-bye to those cheap plastic brushes and hello to a shiny grown woman bathroom setup, this one right here is it. It's the little things that make your home feel like a whole mood. And this silver beauty, yeah, it's part of that glow up. Now this one was gifted to me. Now I gotta go back and get another one for my other bathroom. So what did Royal get? Show us. All right, let's talk about these Declay Kids girls boots. Listen, when your little one steps out in these, she's gonna feel like she's running the world, okay? Look, these aren't just for girls. Boys can wear these same shoes too. Check them out. First off, these boots are waterproof, which means no worries when they're jumping in puddles or running through the grass after the rain. The outer material is made of a good quality synthetic leather, and the rubber sole is anti-slip, so they can run, strut without slipping and sliding everywhere. Now let's talk comfort, because these boots right here, baby soft. The inside has a cozy plush lining, so their little feet stay warm and comfy all day. You know how kids can get cranky when shoes start hurting their feet? Not with these. The footbed is soft, lightweight, and gives that walking on clouds kind of vibe. So they can run, skip, or dance around all day and still be smiling. And can we talk about how easy they are to put on? Child, these boots have a side zipper and also the elastic on the side. So just boom, bam, bang, you got them on. Perfect for busy parents who need to get out the door fast. Plus, the round toe design means no squished toes, just happy, healthy feet. Now, style-wise, oh yeah, these are a whole vibe. Whether they're rocking leggings, jeans, or skirts, these boots pull the outfit together. They've got that classic trendy look that never goes out of style. Perfect for school, play dates, church, or even family photos. Let's be real. they're gonna be out here turning heads, okay? So if you're tired of cheap shoes that fall apart, make their feet ache, or can't handle a little water, these are the answer. Durable, comfy, stylish, and they actually keep up with your kids' energy. These boots are the real deal, baby.
It's time to bake some Halloween cookies! Yay! Open it.
Let's open it. Let's get the chair. Stand up. Say hi. Say hello. We're getting ready to bake the cookies. Cookies for the nonstick pan, but I'm still going to spray it. Yeah, we're going to spray it just a little bit. Yeah. These are the cookies we're baking today. More Pillsbury, the wicked for good. Okay. Open. Let's see what we got. Wow. Look at there.
Wow!
So we don't have the frosting dough. We just got the sugar cookie dough. Look at that. Yay, we're baking the cookies. So what we got? I messed that one up. You gonna touch it? Wanna touch it? We gotta bake them. It's not ready yet. See, we gotta put it right there. We gotta put it right there, Mama. And put it in the oven. And we gotta get us some icing. I don't know. Is that the witch hat or something? That's the hat. We might need to do more cookies than this. Let's do more cookies. Let's do the pumpkin cookies too. Yeah. How about that? You want to do the pumpkins too? The pumpkin spice cookies too? Yay! Let's do the pumpkin spice cookies too. Let's show you. Stay right there. Okay, we got some pumpkin spice cookies. Pumpkin spice? You see pumpkin? You want to make the pumpkin cookies? Let's make them both. Because we eat a lot of cookies. Yeah, we eat a lot of cookies, Mama. Let's see. Let's see how to bake the cookies. Yeah. Wow, look at there. See, all we gotta do is break them loose. Can we break them loose nicely? There we go. 1, 2,
Cookies.
3.
Cookies.
Yes, 4.
Cookies.
Cookie, cookie, cookie is for me. C is for cookie. That's good enough for me. Hey! Making the cookies for Halloween. Halloween cookies.
Halloween, Tata. Halloween.
You see the pumpkin?
Pumpkin.
I I think Papa gonna like this kind. Let's stick that one over there and put that right there so we can have enough room for them all. We got a lot of cookies. We got a lot of cookies, Royal. You gonna eat all the cookies? Let's see if we can move this one up. So there we go. We got our Halloween cookies cooking. Say trick or treat. Trick or treat. Well, my little helper, she left the scene. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in here. And we're gonna set the timer to check on it for in 10 minutes. Okay, baby. But they was already brown, so that's what I'm saying.
Already?
Yeah, these was pumpkin spice.
Okay.
So I might keep them in a little bit longer. They don't look too brown around. I need a little bit brown around the edge.
Yeah, I sure did.
Brown,
Brown.
crispy around the edge.
Cool, cool. That make me know you love me when you touch me, baby. Look old 81-year-old man in love like young.
Oh my God.
17.
Oh my God.
That's your baby, that's for sure. Okay. I should be your lover. I should be your lover.
Wow.
So much love. I should be your lover.
She's got a grand baby on her knee, telling her stories of how life used to be. Don't rush, my love, take your time. The best lessons come from the climb. This is the legacy of her. Every laugh, every tear, every word carried through the one she raised.